In this video we are going to learn how you can type this question mark on your laptop. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to look at your keyboard, and on your keyboard you will get this question mark button beside the shift key. So as you can see, that is my question mark button. So if I press this button, then it will type this slash. So now I'm going to show you how you can type this question mark on your screen. So for this, all you got to do, you have to press this shift button. You will get the shift button over here. You have to tap this shift button, and at the same time you have to tap on this question mark button. And here you can see that now I'm gonna get this question mark. So all you gotta do, you have to press this shift and question mark button at the same time, then you will get this question mark sign. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.